Hello, kids. As you know me, I am the king of the jungle, and today I will teach you a simple math for my little people. Welcome to the Math Safari Adventure. Today we're going to explore the wild and learn counting and basic math with our animal friends. So let's get started.
Can you count the animals with me? 1 lion. 1 lion. Can you count these animals with me? 2 elephants. 2 elephants. Now can you count these animals with me? 3 giraffes. 3 giraffes. Now count with me. 4 monkeys. 4 monkeys. Now finally, the last but not least. 5 zebras. 5 zebras. Let's add our animal friends together. How many animals do we have when we add 2 elephants and 3 giraffes? That's right, 5. Now let's add these animal friends together. And let's see, how many animals do we have when we add 1 lion and 4 monkeys? That's right, 5. Now let's add these animal friends together. So now how many animals do we have when we add 2 zebras and 2 elephants? That's right, 4. Look around the safari. Can you find these shapes? Where is circle? The sun is a circle. Find the triangle, please. The lion's nose is a triangle. Now search for the square. The giraffe's spots are squares. And where is rectangle? Zebra's stripes are rectangles.
Great job on our Math Safari adventure. You learned counting, addition, and shapes. See you next time for more fun in the wild. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.